Welcome to day 4 of the Total Balance Challenge. Today we have a rejuvenating office yoga practice where you can do this anytime at work, or if you're just sitting at your desk for a long time and need a little bit of a physiology shift. So come onto the edge of your chair, lift up tall through the spine, inhale the shoulders up to the ears and back. Ooh, let's do that again. Inhale up and back. Breathe. And gently come into your space. The first exercise we'll do is something I like to call throwing out the trash. So taking all that negative energy, anything that you're holding on to that doesn't serve you anymore, just taking that, grabbing it with your hands and just throwing it out like you're throwing something away in the trash, or like you've got something sticky stuck to your fingers, just letting it go. Inhale and exhale, throw it all out. Yes, throw out all those negative thoughts, those fears, that anxiety, that stress, anything that's been building up, those conversations that you don't like having, just throw them out. And coming back into your body, letting all of that energy go, things that you don't want to hold on to anymore. Throwing it out with your breath. That's it. Good job. And then release in the arms. Feel any changes in the body. Come into your breath. Maybe close the eyes. This helps the mind to slow down. From here, we'll do a little exercise to invite in that energy you want in your life. So going back to your sankalpa, or your intention from day 1 and day 2, that purpose, that inner desire, that thing that you're working towards, bringing that energy into your life. Take your arms up into the air and start to bring that energy in. With each breath, inhale up and exhale, quickly bringing that energy in. Inhaling and exhaling at your own pace. Bring all that positivity, bring all that success, that financial freedom, those great relationships, great conversations, communication, confidence in yourself, self-esteem, knowing, and wisdom. Bringing that into your life. Great job. Bringing the arms back down. Close the eyes, or just softly gaze, noticing the changes, noticing the energy flowing through the body. Yesterday we did a yin practice and talked about how after going into certain poses or moving in a certain way, allowing that chi energy to start flowing through the body again is what really gives the benefit of this practice. So from here, we'll come into a Yin Style Pose, but in our chair. So bringing the right leg up, bring it over towards the hip. Now, if this is not available to you, you can bring the ankle over the other leg. Find a spot that you can start to feel a little bit of sensation in the hips, the outer thighs, bringing the heel a little bit closer to the other hip to feel a little bit deeper. Now, if you need pillows here, you're welcome to use pillows, blankets, anything to fill up the spaces to allow the body to release in its own time, not forcing it into this pose. Inhale. As you exhale, start to bring the body over the legs. Just allowing the low back to release. Moving with your breath. Maybe taking your head in your hands to give it a little space to rest. So from the side, it might look like this. Notice where the thoughts go here. As with any long held pose, the purpose is to get into some of the deeper tissues. And as they say, all those issues are in the tissues. So allowing things to release in their own time. You might discover the thoughts going to certain places, maybe thinking of certain things in the past. Allow it to release without running off with the story. Slowly releasing in the body, let that leg go. And for your rebound pose, just take the feet out long. So taking the heels out, bringing the toes back up towards the legs and releasing, maybe taking a full body stretch here. Take the arms above the head. Oh, yes. Feels so good to stretch. And coming back, moving on to the other side. So taking the left leg this time, bring it right over to the right side. And again, if here right over the knee, as long as there's not pressure on the other knee, it's fine to just relax it here. If you're feeling the stretch in the thigh and the hips here today. Or if you need a little more stretch, bringing the heel towards the right hip. And you can hold it here or start to fold forward with each breath. Just allowing the body to surrender in its own time. Inhale through the top of the head and exhale a little deeper into the stretch. Good job. Maybe resting the head and the hands. Allowing yourself to come back to your space and your practice. Gently coming back up. Great job. Again, with the rebound posture, allowing that chi energy to flow through the body. So bringing the toes back up towards the body, reaching the arms long, maybe taking them behind you this time so you can clasp your hands behind your back and bring them down towards the floor. Opening up in the chest, open up in the throat and the jaw. Maybe open and close the mouth a few times. Releasing any tension in the jaw, especially if you've been talking a lot today, or even if you're just working on something really serious and holding some tension there in your face. Just let it go. Gently coming back up to neutral. From here, we'll move into a cat-cow pose. This is great to release in the spine, in the upper body. Remembering to sit on the edge of your chair, making sure the chair is stable and it's not rolling anywhere. Take your hands toward your knees and maybe down towards the shins. Start to rounding your back, bring your chin in towards the chest. Bringing your spine up to the sky. Inhale, start to bring the chest through the arms, arching in the back, bringing the shoulders back, lifting the face up towards the sky. Open in that face. Maybe taking the hands back behind you. And inhale forward. And back. Opening up to the sky. Gently coming back to neutral. As you inhale, start to close the eyes or just softly gaze. And exhale, release everything through the floor below. Take in everything that you've brought with you today from your practice, anything that you've let go, let that stay on. Give yourself this moment to be yourself and to find balance in the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me again today. And I look forward to tomorrow, the last day of our challenge, where I will share a nice musical meditation. Have a great rest of the day. Namaste. Hi friends, Amy here. I trust that you enjoyed this video. How would you like to breathe deeply and balance the body every single day, even the busiest ones? I've got a free members only video for you if you click the link in the comments and the description below. Thank you, and I will see you soon. Namaste.